Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with both safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Volvo XC40 Recharge Pure Electric Twin Plus in black. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 9,000 miles on the odometer, 12.3-inch touchscreen, navigation, split folding rear seats, panoramic moonroof, power liftgate, pure electric zero tailpipe emission front and rear electric motors, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7611.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.